The best swing sets for older kids. Playing outdoors is a great way for children to stay active and improve their overall health. So, as your little ones grow up, it's good to encourage them to spend some time outdoors. And if you have a backyard or woods nearby, get the best swing sets for older kids to engage them. These swing sets for older kids let them enjoy the thrill and excitement of riding a swing while offering safety. They are also relatively easy to install and reinstall. In this video, we have compiled a list of some of the best swing sets for kids that you can bring home and let your children feel the joy of the outdoors. Number 1. Best Durable Sportspower Arcadia Swing Set. With easy-to-install features, this playset for older kids is designed with all the required safety standards. The set comes with 2 swing seats, 1 trapeze bar, 1 2-person glider, and 1 slide. It is constructed from high-grade and rust-free steel tubes, and has chains with vinyl covering to help protect your child's hands from pinches. Specifications. Dimensions 134 by 173.6 inches. Weight capacity 600 pounds. Age range 5 to 10 years. What we like. Durable. Versatile. Adjustable seats. Weather resistant. What we don't like. Does not come with ground anchors. Number 2. Best Weather Resistant Trekassy Metal Swing Set. This sturdy and durable swing set is a solid metal construction with a powder-coated paint finish to ensure smooth touch. The A-frame of the Trekassy swing set helps provide equal balance with stability. It includes 1 saucer swing and 1 belt swing. It has EVA plastic seats with zinc-coated chains to ensure durability. Specifications. Dimensions 13 by 9.53 and 8.27 inches. Weight capacity 440 pounds. Age range 3 years and above. What we like. Detachable swing, adjustable seat, easy to install, lightweight, weather-resistant steel. What we don't like. Holes may not be appropriately drilled in pipes. Number 3. Best Low Maintenance Lifetime Monkey Bar Adventure Swing Set. The Lifetime Adventure Swing Set features 3 belt swings, a 9-foot wavy slider, a trapeze bar with rings, and more, offering your children multiple options to play. These swings have rubber supports to prevent your little one's fingers from being hurt. The set is constructed from powder-shielded galvanized steel and premium quality polyethylene to withstand all weather conditions. Additionally, it is free from lead-based materials for safe use. Specifications. Dimensions 200.79 by 263.78 and 149.61 inches. Weight capacity 119 pounds. Age range 3 to 10 years. What we like. UV resistant color, freestanding design, edges have protective caps, low maintenance. What we don't like. Assembling can be time consuming, may not be mold resistant. Number 4. Best Easy to Assemble KLB Sports Swing Set. Give your little one the experience of comfortable swinging with the KLB Sports Swing Set. Its heavy-duty steel pole construction has passed all safety standards. This A-shaped swing from KLB Sport is equipped with 2 swings. The curved chairs with UV-protected plastic help minimize heat retention. This freestanding playset for older kids can be placed anywhere, as it does not require cementing. Specifications. Dimensions 102 by 74 and 71 inches. Weight capacity 100 pounds each swing. Age range 3 to 8 years. What we like. Low maintenance, all weather resistant, durable, easy to assemble, rust-free. What we don't like. Anchors are relatively weak. Number 5. Best Wooden Backyard Discovery Skyfort 2 Playground Swing Set. The Backyard Swing Set features 2 swings, a trapeze, a rock climbing wall, a 10-foot slider, monkey bars, a picnic table, a flat step table and upper fort, and a wood roof. These swings are rested on powder-coated steel brackets to resist harsh weather. The set allows your little one to move around and have hours of fun. The wood used in making this set is mold and decay-resistant 100% cedar wood, while the plastic is UV resistant. Specifications. Dimensions 200.79 by 263.78 and 149.61 inches. Weight capacity, 119 pounds. Age range, 3 to 10 years. What we like. Pre-stained for a smooth appearance. Non-toxic materials. Labeled parts. Well-designed. What we don't like. May have unclear instructions. Assembly may be time-consuming. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.